English speaking course.
Hello everyone, welcome to English Speaking Course. In this video, we will give you some exercise to practice your listening skill. Video include 3 parts. Watch until the end and test your English listening skills.
In this part, you will listen to 5 conversations. You will have to answer some true or false questions after each conversation. Pay careful attention or you will miss some important information.
Hi, can I help you with your order?
Yes, please. Can I have a cappuccino with extra foam and 2 shots of espresso?
Sure thing. Would you like anything else with that?
No, that's all.
All right, that'll be $4.50. Do you want to pay by card or cash?
Cash, please.
Thank you.
Explanation: he paid by cash. Hi, I'd like to book an appointment for a checkup on my eyes. May I know your name, please? Tom Smith. We have availability next Tuesday at 2 p.m. Does that work for you? Yes, that's perfect. Great. Please provide me with your phone number. Sure. It's 555-1234. Thank you, Mr. Smith. We'll see you next Tuesday at 2 p.m. Explanation: the appointment for Tom's eyes is on Tuesday at 2 p.m. Explanation: Tom's phone number is 555-1234.
Hi, can I have 2 tickets for the 7 p.m. show?
Sure. Which movie would you like to watch?
The new superhero movie, please.
Great. That would be $24. Will you be paying in cash or by card?
I'll pay by card, please.
Sure. Here are your tickets.
Thank you.
Explanation: the customer bought 2 tickets to watch the new superhero movie. In this part, you will have to fill in the blanks while listening to 2 conversations. You will have 5 seconds for each answer. Dialogue 1. Hi, I'm looking for a book called The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Do you have it in stock? Yes. It's right over here in the fiction section. Great, thanks. I'll buy this book. Sure thing. That'll be $20. Is that cash or card? Card, please. Your payment went through. Thank you for shopping with us. Thank you.
Hey, Maggie, what did you buy?
Oh, just a book called The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Have you read it?
No, but I've heard great things about it. What's it about?
It's about a shepherd boy who embarks on a journey to fulfill his destiny.
That sounds interesting. I'll have to check it out.
Definitely. I can let you borrow it when I finish it.
Sounds good to me. Speaking of books, have you ever heard of the Codex Seraphinianus?
No, what is it?
It's one of the most unusual books in the world. It's written in an imaginary language with bizarre illustrations that make no sense.
Have you tried to buy it?
Yeah, but it's almost impossible to find. It's been out of print for years.
Maybe we can find it together someday. Hi, it's so good to see you.
What's new?
I bought the Codex Seraphinianus that you told me about.
Are you serious? No way.
I actually got really lucky. I found a used copy at a local antique store, and it wasn't too expensive either.
That's amazing. I'm so jealous.
It's definitely one of the weirdest books I've ever read.
I know.
It was definitely a challenge to read, but I loved the mystery of it all. Dialogue 2.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I've been using Facebook a lot lately, and it made me wonder about social networks. What is your opinion on them?
I think social networks can be both beneficial and harmful.
I agree.
On one hand, they allow you to connect with others, even if they are far away. On the other hand, they can be highly addictive.
That's true. I think social networks can be a good thing if you use them in moderation. For example, I love keeping up with my friends and family on Facebook.
Same here. But what about privacy? It seems like anything we post these days is out there for everyone to see.
It depends on how you use it. You can limit who can see your posts.
That's true. I think another negative aspect of social networks is that people are sometimes too focused on getting likes and comments.
Yeah, that can be damaging to self-esteem. I try not to get too caught up in that. Instead, I focus on the positive aspects, like staying connected with my friends and family.
Me too. Although I have to admit, Sometimes I get annoyed with what my friends post on social networks.
Really? Why is that?
A lot of times they post things that are really personal and uncomfortable to read.
Ah, I see what you mean. Everyone has their own reasons for posting what they do. But if it's bothering you, you can always unfollow them.
That's a good point. In this part, there are 5 conversations. You will have to listen to them and answer 5 questions based on the conversations. Pay careful attention and choose the correct ones. What are they going to eat for dinner?
Hey, have you thought about what we should have for dinner tonight?
Not really. What were you thinking?
I was thinking we can make some spaghetti with meatballs and garlic.
That sounds good, but I'm trying to eat healthier.
So maybe we can make a salad and grilled chicken instead?
Oh, that's a good idea. Let's do that. The answer is B, salad and grilled chicken.
Hey, have you thought about what we should have for dinner tonight?
Not really. What were you thinking?
I was thinking we can make some spaghetti with meatballs and garlic.
That sounds good, but I'm trying to eat healthier.
So maybe we can make a salad and grilled chicken instead?
Oh, that's a good idea. Let's do that. What color is the cover of the book?
Have you read the latest book by Stephen King?
No, I haven't. What's the name of the book?
It's called If It Bleeds. The cover is red and black. It looks pretty cool.
Oh, I've seen it at the bookstore. Is it any good?
I haven't finished it yet, but so far it's really interesting. You should give it a try.
The answer is C, black and red.
Have you read the latest book by Stephen King?
No, I haven't. What's the name of the book?
It's called If It Bleeds. The cover is red and black. It looks pretty cool.
Oh, I've seen it at the bookstore. Is it any good?
I haven't finished it yet, but so far it's really interesting. You should give it a try.
What is she going to buy?
I want to buy a new outfit.
What do you like?
I'm torn between getting a dress, a shirt, or a skirt.
I would love to see you in a beautiful dress.
Okay, I'll find a nice one. I really like this one. It has a floral print.
That looks great on you. You should definitely get it.
I will.
The answer is A, a dress.
I want to buy a new outfit.
What do you like?
I'm torn between getting a dress, a shirt, or a skirt.
I would love to see you in a beautiful dress.
Okay, I'll find a nice one. I really like this one. It has a floral print.
That looks great on you. You should definitely get it.
I will.
Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.